The companion solar mat kit is the ultimate high-performance, super-efficient, compact and lightweight solar power solution for camping, caravanning and four-wheel driving. The solar mat kit will charge most 12-volt batteries and power packs, providing sufficient power for 12-volt appliances such as portable fridges, light kits, hot water showers and more. The kit includes a solar mat with highly efficient monocrystalline cells, adjustable support stand allowing for the solar mat to have an optimal angle towards the sun depending on the season, Weatherproof 12-volt DC 5-stage smart charge controller, 5-metre extension lead with 30-amp Anderson-style plugs, fused extension lead with battery clamps, and 30-amp to 50-amp Anderson-style adapter. Harness maximum power from the sun with the companion solar mat kit.